guys, this is my new remote control forklift. This is the remote control. I can see better than the tablet camera because the video quality on this camera sucks. But this is my new remote control. That's whatever is supposed to represent the stuff that comes out of the muffler. Whatever. This is a model of my mom drives. This is a model of my mom drives. This is a model of the forklift that my mom drives. It can level and raise the pallet. But I am sorry about this bad video quality. You may not be able to see, even though there's literally a freaking light over there. It's a working forklift. And this is a toy forklift to complete my construction collection. And it has a one button. I accidentally pressed the turn off engine button. Then this one just here's the auto drive. This one will auto drive it. It lifts up the pallet. It will drive itself automatically. Then we have the spray vapor button. And then this one's the other thing that turns the wheels. Then we have the mute button in case it gets annoying. If it's my mom works at TA Make Ship Happen. That's where my mother works.